Abatron wood epox, and Abatron liquid wood. Repairing a rotted water-damaged railing. You'll need a 1-quart pail, a condiment dispenser, a paint stirrer, a funnel, a paintbrush and putty knife. Add equal parts liquid wood in the 1-quart pail. The cans are labeled Part A and Part B. Then stir for 60 seconds. After stirring, allow mixture to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Using the condiment dispenser, saturate the rotted areas. Let the liquid wood absorb into the rotted areas. Now use the paintbrush to work the liquid wood into the rotted wood. Fill any rotted areas and repeat process. Before applying the liquid wood, I sanded all the old paint and primer off. You want to work with a clean surface. Use equal amounts of compound, Part A and Part B. And now mix together in hands. Until the compound is a uniform color, rubber gloves are recommended. Fill in the rotted areas with the compound. Use the putty knife to smooth the compound. If you put some liquid wood, Part A on the putty knife, it will help smooth out the compound. The compound dries in 1 to 3 hours. I waited overnight. Before sanding, I'm using 120 grit sandpaper. The compound dries hard and it's sanded really easy. Next, I'll use an oil-based primer. Then paint with 2 coats of latex paint.